Yeah, for me, Amar, I've quite enjoyed the course. My background obviously has come from technical over the years, and I'm moving into that role now of sort of managing and advising. So the course for me has definitely it's cemented and reinforced for some of the activities that we're undertaking at Ulster. Just sort of giving that confidence, ensuring that we're on the right path. I've got some other factors and aspects to sort of bring into our internal discussions here amongst the various teams in Ulster. And some of the stuff obviously is going to help inform the direction and sort of future project strategies and policies that we might sort of get into. It's also nice to actually meet with various individuals just in other organizations, and obviously at some stage the various forums or sort of areas that may sort of pop up. It's nice to get that informal type sounding board at times and sort of learn what others are at and see well if they're doing something like that, why are we not. For the course itself, Amar, the delivery style, very much it wasn't a sit and just simply listen. The breakout rooms, the active engagement to try and get people sort of involved, the activities and stuff like that was quite good to keep us engaged and involved. I've been in various courses where it's by 10:30 I'm nearly asleep because not being engaged. So I think you've made quite a bit of effort or extended effort in trying to keep everybody engaged there, especially making sure that we're not sort of off of the tangent doing something else. But for me, I would like to even sort of get involved in the technical side of it, not from that side. It's more just an understanding as well.